last is use the 50% rule. I have one slide on it. You have an entire book on it, and here's why I am really obsessed with this rule. The 50% rule essentially says, anytime you're doing something, only do half normal, half new. Whenever you're thinking about, okay, we're going to get ready to do a new initiative, what are all the normal things and what are half of them we can kick out the door? Because they're inauthentic, they're boring, they're not us. People probably don't like them, they're stale, they're old, and bring in new. Now, the reason it became a book is I will tell you, this rule, I swear to God, will change your life if you start to use it, especially if you use it within teams. I know we have lots of teams here where you can say, wait, why don't we just 50% rule it? It will get you unstuck, it will motivate you, it will get you excited, but most importantly, the reason it became a book is because I started to see it everywhere. I saw it with Hamilton. Lin-Manuel Miranda 50% ruled Broadway. That's why it's a hit. I saw it with John Madden and how he took on broadcasting in a way that no other had. Half normal, half new. I saw it with Weird Al Yankovic. Terrible singing voice. Terrible. Megastar. He 50% ruled music. So this is not just a rule to get over your poop. This is a rule that will skyrocket you, your company. Especially I think about new companies like yours, 50% rule the crud out of things.